central Anson County in central North Carolina, southeastern Montgomery County in central North Carolina, northern Richmond County in central North Carolina, Lee County in central North Carolina, southern Chatham County in central North Carolina, until 10:45 p.m. At 9:47 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 miles southeast of North Carolina Zoo to near Bisco to 6 miles east of Ansonville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sanford, Southern Pines, Carthage, Pinehurst, Aberdeen, Ansonville, Hoffman, Goldston, Whispering Pines, and Pine Bluff. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly.
Today's struggles are often amplified through unexpected unemployment or extreme isolation brought on by COVID.